Hello and welcome to this category of videos on the subject of montage. My name's Barry Beckham. What we've done here is to create a series of videos on a number of real-life montage projects. Most of the images we've produced were made while recording these tutorials. In other words, they were not tried and tested montages just repeated for these tutorials. They're real projects from start to finish. Our tutorials are large crystal clear videos, as you can see by the example you're watching here. Our tutorials are made as MP4 videos, so they work fine on PCs, Apple Macs, and also they can be dropped onto your iPad if you wish. Any version of Photoshop or Photoshop Elements can be used to make montages. There are three core tools which allow us to create the effects you can see here. They're layers, layer masks, and layer blend modes. All of these are available in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. However, there are some earlier versions of Photoshop Elements that do not support layer masks. If you've got one of these versions, you can still create montaged images. You just need to use the eraser tool instead of the mask. You need to save your work more often to compensate for not having the flexibility of a mask. As well as creating a PDF on the content of this category of videos, we've also created a PDF on the subject of making a montage. We've also created a slideshow presentation on the subject of montage. So if you'd like to see some great examples of montage images, then download and play our slideshow. It's available for PC and Mac. We have presented this category of videos either as individual videos you can download and pick just the ones you want, or when you pick 3 or more, we offer a 30% discount, or you can buy all of the videos on one disc.